How long does it take for Ooma to port a number? Have you ever wondered why it seems like Ooma takes forever to port your number? You're not alone. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of Ooma number porting, uncovering the factors that influence the process, and providing some tips to help you expedite the transition. Imagine this. You've just switched to Ooma, excited about the promise of better service and lower costs. But there's one final hurdle: porting your existing phone number. You're eager to keep your familiar number, but you're also anxious about the potential delays. The porting process. Let's break down the porting process step by step. Initiating the port. You typically initiate the porting process when you sign up for Ooma service. You'll provide your current phone number and carrier information. Ooma verification. Ooma will verify your current carrier and ensure that your account is in good standing. This step is crucial to prevent any delays. Porting request submission. Once verification is complete, Ooma will submit a porting request to your current carrier. Carrier approval. Your current carrier must approve the porting request before it can proceed. This can sometimes take a few days depending on their internal processes. Port completion. If both Ooma and your current carrier approve the port, it will typically be completed within a few business days. Factors affecting porting time. Several factors can influence how long it takes for Ooma to port your number. Current carrier delays. If your current carrier is experiencing system issues or has a backlog of porting requests, it can slow down the process. Number type. The type of phone number you're porting, landline or mobile, can also impact the porting time. Mobile numbers are generally ported faster than landlines. Ooma system issues. In rare cases, Ooma's systems may experience temporary disruptions that can delay porting requests. Tips for expediting the process. While you can't always control the factors that influence porting time, there are a few things you can do to expedite the process. Provide accurate information. Ensure that you provide Ooma with accurate information about your current carrier and account details. Any errors can lead to delays. Follow up. If you haven't heard back from Ooma within a reasonable time frame, don't hesitate to follow up and inquire about the status of your porting request. Be patient. Even with the best efforts, porting can sometimes take longer than expected. It's important to maintain patience throughout the process. Porting your number to Ooma can be a frustrating experience if it takes too long. By understanding the factors that influence porting time and taking proactive steps, you can increase the chances of a smooth and timely transition. Remember, while porting delays can be annoying, the benefits of switching to Ooma often outweigh the inconvenience. So, stay patient, follow the tips we've discussed, and enjoy the improved service and potential cost savings that Ooma has to offer. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or experiences with Ooma number porting, feel free to share them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips and reviews. Until next time.